While there have been several alarming reports of tainted food over the years, the one which attracted most attention was the November 2008 tainted baby milk formula, which resulted in at least 6 infant deaths and over 300,000 infants being hospitalized. This resulted from a chemical called melamine being illegally added to the milk that was used to manufacture baby milk formula. This was an obvious attempt to substitute the protein levels in the milk. The substitute chemical damaged the kidneys of the children concerned. Little is known of the long-term effects melamine has on humans, and there is a possibility that health problems may be uncovered in years to come. This deadly incident shows just how vulnerable consumers are and just how dependent they are on being protected by government regulations. It also shows just how greedy some companies are and the efforts they will go to deceive the consuming public.